Always I keep getting DMs about like, bro, how do you start earning money online and what was it not scary? And everyone talks about it like, okay, they are earning like 10K dollars and all those per month and all those things. So let's me tell you from the start and what was my journey, like how I started doing it, and the actual question that everyone like starts with basically. So is it possible for someone like them, like they message me out of the blue, that is it possible for me to earn like even $5 online? And it is very easy, to be honest. Well, not so easy, but yeah, it is in a way easy if you are determined towards it. So when I was 18, around 18, I had my few laptops with me, and I was stuck in routine. Like I was just doing those things. I was learning things, of course. And then I was in college and I was just going through technologies and all. So I came to know about this platform called Fiverr. So that happened when I was trying to find ways money online. I was like, okay, everyone is doing it on YouTube. That time it was trending. And after hearing a lot of stories about people earning in dollars while staying in India and all those different things, it sounded so unrealistic. So I was like, I'll give it a chance. Why not? So my parents were preparing for engineering exams. They already, even if they got in, they were preparing for different ones. And if not, they were preparing for the corporate job. Actually, I was just trying on my own. Like I always will make apps and all. So that's when this journey started. And I started posting on Fiverr, made a couple of, even I started writing there. Then I started doing that part about coding parts, like if you want to do tasks and all those things. Like if you want to check out app, I'll make for people and all those I started putting. And to my surprise, few people actually responded. So that was really interesting. I was like, okay, interesting. Everyone is showing attention to it. So I basically watched a YouTube video to how to set it up because I didn't knew. So that happened, and then actually got a lot. So it started with around $5 because the name Fiverr. So that's what it started with, and then the same clients also keep coming back. So like that, it happened, and I'll never forget like the first time I woke up to that first notification that you have set up your PayPal account. That time I didn't even set it up. That you have received your payment, and then I was like, why is it not in my bank? Then there is a payout period, and I'm like, oh, okay. Interesting, but it's not much that time. Like it was $5 only, but it was like something. Okay, I did it on my own. Like out of thin air, I created something. So it was actual proof of the world that isn't just a hype. It can actually be done. So and I did it on my own. I never thought I would do, and I did. But so that actually gave me a proof. Like isn't all about hype and about hype. The $5 belonged to me, and I earned with the skills that I picked up, learning skills that I was passionate about, getting rejected and trying again. So that's when it happened. A lot of things that I keep saying, some things like I wanted to address was a lot. I see a lot of people, quitting their jobs, and I didn't. I also wanted it on the side. Like I was juggling my 9 to 5 job, still am with the cheat sheet. I'm saying cheat sheet. That's a different genre altogether. So spreadsheets, morning commutes to the office, and all those report making, a lot of things are there. So and after hours, I'm just creating something for my own so that I can make it done. And every side project, every gig at Fiverr, or even my Shivai that is there. I'll be talking about it later. And different things are there. A new client or anything like that. This is all part while I'm keeping my 9 to 5. See, don't leave your 9 to 5 until you are like in a very stable position and everything. But trust me, being an entrepreneur is more hard than you thought. So somewhere along the path that I realized one thing was freelancing was not enough. Like it was not enough at all. I started posting my success and struggles on LinkedIn and sharing random tips on X, and also like even sliding into the folks that was in EdTech so that I can collab. And I actually collab with a few people there outside India and inside India also. That sounds wrong, no? But yeah, yeah, within India, not inside India. Yeah. So my Instagram feed was more less travel and more about here is my 5 a.m. workspace. Like that, it started feeling. And to be honest, I've never been a this guy, travel guy. I travel a lot in India as of now. I'm planning to go to Bali soon, but yeah, that thing happens. So people begin to notice like it's just not brands like, but others are there who are striving like you. So word of mouth turns into client referral a lot. Like the people I actually worked with previously, they referred more people. So the word get spread if you do good work. That thing when I realized, if you won't do good work, like no one will come to you. To be honest, no one will. And also how you convey it to. Then I realized one thing. Like if I can make an income stream while not thinking anything, while being a teenager, basically, then why not build something bigger? Because everyone is building a startup, right? So why not me? So that's what I thought. So that's when the Shivai was born. Not just a brand, it's but it's a home for everyone who wants to learn data, AI, how to actually get paid. Because that was how I started. Like technology, of course, was there always, but it was always about telling people how to earn, how to do things, how to understand things. So like okay, suddenly I was not just a freelancer, I was a builder, a founder, and it hit different because okay, there is a something into it, and now like it's a team of 10 people now. Yeah, who are working like super. I'm really excited and I'm really grateful like how far I have come. I don't say it enough because I always feel like I can do a lot better and I'm not anywhere near the peak that I should be. But I've actually have done a lot. Like in that way, like when I look back, I thought I always never took gratitude that seriously, but now I do because you should. Because like even if you are not grateful, it's not something good. Trust me. Like my mom also scolded me a lot for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna say that. So it wasn't just all upward graphs. Like I posted on IG also. Like I got like 4 likes, 7 likes. I DM'd the brands and I keep getting ghosted like that. So it keeps happening. And someone, if a client says like, "Hey, I loved your work. I referred a friend," it's a validation. Like, we love your work. We referred a friend or particular person. That word of mouth validation that hits just different. So every time I saw one of your DMs like help me, something like that. So I made something for you guys. Like a lot of people were like, "You are so productive," and productivity thing. So I made a Notion Life OS. Okay, so is all about keeping everything in a single place. That's what I use on a daily basis, to be honest. So I don't know if you guys know about Notion, but it's super cool. I really want them to sponsor me also because I literally been using it for 5 years now. So yeah, so I made a Notion template called Life OS where I practically manage everything, like my 9 to 5 to my social life to my startup, my online business, everything I'm managing there. So you can take a look at it, and if you want to mimic the things that I do and start earning money in a lot of ways, you can just buy it off and you can just keep it for you and start using it. And so while ending it, I was just seeing Fiverr actually. And so if you're watching this and thinking, can I do it too? You can actually. If you are watching this and thinking, can I do it? You can, to be honest, you can. Start with what you know, to be honest, don't go too deep. Just start with what you know, okay? Put yourself online, use Fiverr, use LinkedIn, use X, anything you use, even threads, reach out, say thanks to people, appreciate people, reach out to people. You see, you never know which door will open if until unless you knock. That's what's deep, actually nice. You can write a code book, to be honest, and let your work be the resume. Don't just talk all the time. Let your work show your resume, like show your portfolio, and let people amplify you with the people that you have worked. Let them spread the word for you. So for that you have to do good work though. So do that. And don't let imposter syndrome stop you, to be honest, because it does a lot. It did to me at certain points. Do that. And if, as I told you, if you want a system for it, Life OS Notion template is in description. You can download it and check it out. And you can join Shivai's community. It's all about AI, data, and learning how to make money online. I can just DM to my story also on Instagram. That and I'll also reply mostly because there's a lot of them to be honest now. So you can follow me on IG, LinkedIn, X, every place the same username is there. The party Adit P. So yeah, everywhere it's the same. And Shiva is one you already know. I hope you know. That will be in description too. But I really hope you know. And who knows, maybe like in 6 months you will earn how you will earn. Of course you will. Of course, like I'm manifesting it. But you will make how I started making money online. And you should tag me and me in this video though. I will really appreciate that. Okay. You could do that, and that's my journey, like raw, unfiltered. And sometimes I'll be seeing my progress and I'll be thinking what to say next. Because I in my show channel I make everything well scripted. This one is like all raw. I don't want to keep too many editing, too much cuts, too much professionalism. Everything stick to a script I don't want to make. So that's why this one is all raw, this channel. So that's my journey, raw, unfiltered. So subscribe if you want to see more of it, and let's see and check the links. And I don't know what to say now, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.